The marks on the math exam at the university are found to have a mean of 52 with a standard deviation of 12. A professor who thought the exam was too difficult decided to adjust the original marks by raising the mean to 65, while reducing the standard deviation to 10 and leaving the z-scores unchanged. What would be the new mark for the student who received an original mark of 34? Well, the first thing you need to do is find that z-score, because through all these adjustments, we're leaving the z-scores unchanged. So z is equal to, well, the original mark was 34, the original mean was 52, and the standard deviation was 12. When you work that one out, you're going to find that the z-score is going to be negative 1.5. Alright, keep this because we're going to use it in the next problem. Alright, so we know it's going to be a negative 1.5 z-score for the student because that remains unchanged. What has changed, however, is the mean and the standard deviation, and we have to figure out what the student's new mark is going to be. The mean is 65, and the new standard deviation is 10. Okay, so we need to solve for x. The first thing to do is get rid of that 10. So we're going to multiply this whole thing by 10, and we're going to multiply this by 10 as well. So what we're left with is negative 15 is equal to x minus 65. We want to solve for x, so you're going to isolate it by adding 65, and you're going to add 65 over here as well. So what you're left with is that the student got 50 for a new mark. This time around, he's not failing with this adjustment.